I am Nigel Villas and I'm 12 years old. We are filming about the activities of Stories Easy program. I chose this program because I want to be part of inspiring and advocating about environmental protection.
Hi, my name is Jan Philip and I'm 17 years old. I choose to film about the environmental awareness for children and youth program of Starway because for me it is important to encourage more and more people in protecting our environment.
Then you will arrange them based on how long they will decompose. We have rubbers. Nasaan yung mga rubbers dyan? Leather or rubbers? Oh, magtabi kayo doon. 25 to 50 years.
Ayan. So, ano po yung Sea Adventure School? Sabi ko ito sa program ng Stairway Foundation na nakaangat sa East Program. Pero mental no awareness for children.
Hi, I'm Romeo J. Ann, a science teacher. Learning does not only come inside the four corners of classroom, not only by the books, but learning through experience. So this Sea Adventure School helps me realize a lot of things, na maraming bagay ang matututunan, lalong-lalo na kapag na-expose tayo sa mismong lugar kung saan tayo nandun.
Ako po si Jasrel Labay, grade 11 student from San Teodoro. At ang akin po na experience sa Sea Adventure School ay napakaganda na hindi may paliwanag ng iisang salita. Tunan ko rito sa school na ito, sa floating classroom na ito ay from knowledge comes caring and from caring comes change. Napakahalaga po na magkaroon tayo ng kaalaman nang sa gayon ay tayo magkaroon ng pakialam. At pag nagkaroon tayo ng pakialam, magkakaroon naman ng pagbabago at pag-unlad sa ating kalikasan na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Rin po nagmumula yung pagkasira. Kaya naman po sa atin din dapat magmula yung pagbabago at pag-ayos nito.